How to leave a group on Splitwise. So if you are a member of a certain group, maybe someone added you for some reason, but then now you no longer have a role in that group, and then you want to remove yourself from the group and detach yourself from it. Well, in order to do so, fortunately it's very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Splitwise application that you'd be able to find here, and you simply want to make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are logged into your account, over here this is the interface. You want to simply go to a group from where you are a part of, but then you would like to leave. After that, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon located at the top right hand side, scroll down, and there you'll find a button that says leave group. So you can just tap the leave group option. It says, are you sure that you want to leave? So you can just select yes, leave group option to be able to leave the group, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically leave group. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.